Hey art folks, it's Sade, and for the second year in a row, I am bringing you a Watercolors Dream Gift Guide Europe and UK edition. I am so very happy and excited to be doing this in collaboration with Eve Bolt, Denise Soden from In Liquid Color, and Karia from Color and Karia. I had so much fun doing it last year, and I'm so really happy that we did it again this year. It's always so cool figuring out what gifts to recommend to you guys. So let's start with the Frugal gifts. Gifts 25 euros and under. My first suggestion is a watercolor paper trial pack. I generally recommend that you don't just buy watercolor paper because you never know what people's preferences are, but there isn't a watercolor artist who wouldn't be happy to get a trial pack of different watercolor papers. And this pack by Lawrence Art has full sheets of all of the top watercolor brands, including Fabriano and Arches, in hot and cold press. So they can try out new papers, have fun with papers that they love, and maybe figure out something new. The second gift that I am recommending is actually really cheap. You can consider this a stocking stuffer, but it is amazing. Many people don't like using masking fluid because it doesn't work very well or it smells very bad, and that is not the case with the Pebeo masking fluid. It is latex free, it does not smell, it applies and removes amazingly, and I recommend putting this gift together with a ruling pen. They don't have to be very expensive. They make putting precise, fine lines down in masking fluid a breeze. And since they are made out of metal, all you have to do is wipe them off and you're good to go. The last gift that I recommend for the Frugal tier is the Joan of Arc sketching tin. I think that this is so absolutely adorable. It comes with 3 watercolor pans, a little water brush, a sharpener, and even a pencil and eraser. So it has everything that you could possibly need for sketching in a super tiny mint tin. Of course, you could always DIY something like this, but I feel like this is way more organized and put together than something I could do myself. And of course, I love to support small businesses. So the next tier is the mid-range. That is from 26 euros to 75 euros. The first thing I have to recommend is a little strange. It is a Schminke Advent Calendar. So an Advent Calendar is not exactly a Christmas present. Technically, it's for Advent, the season from December 1st to December 24th. But how upset could anyone be about receiving 24 pans of Schminke paints? Really. These are not all the Horadam paints, these are mostly the Schminke Academy paints, which is their student grade line, but at the end there is 1 pan of the Horadam line. So I feel like this is just a really fun and exciting gift or Advent present for any watercolor artist. The next gift in the mid-range is a quarter pan set. I don't specify a brand because I have seen this set available from Dollarami, and I have also seen it available from Cass Art, and you definitely get a better deal if you buy it from Cass Art. But I think that this set is just absolutely adorable. Quarter pans are obviously half as big as half pans, and this little set is so cute. And it even comes with a little brush. It's perfect for travel sketching and just having a cute palette around. The third gift in the mid-range is the Mila Colori 12 color premium set. I love to support independent businesses, local businesses, and Mila Colori makes handmade watercolor paints in Italy. This set actually has some yellows that I have never seen from any other brand before, and this would be an amazing way to step into the world of handmade watercolors without breaking the bank and enjoying some high quality paints. The next tier is all out, or over 76 euros. This is where the big bucks are, and I'm going to start with the A Gallo 24 watercolor set. Now, if you have seen my review of these paints, you know that I am absolutely in love with them. Honestly, these paints are a dream. And I would recommend anyone who wanted to get started in the handmade paints world to start with these paints if it is possible. Actually, these paints are so popular that as I am speaking, they are completely and totally sold out. So if you can manage to get your hands on them, good luck. The second gift in this tier is a year's subscription to Billy Shoal's courses. I think everyone can learn something from Billy Shoal. She has a lot to teach and she is amazingly talented. I think a whole year of unlimited tutorials from a botanical illustrator like Billy Shoal is really a bargain, regardless of what kind of painting you like to do. The last thing that I recommend in this tier is a CMYK set of De Atramentis document inks and a Kaweco pen. De Atramentis makes my favorite waterproof inks. They're amazing because even though they are waterproof, they are not smelly like some other waterproof inks, they are not toxic like some other waterproof inks, and they are not caustic to your pen like some other waterproof inks. They behave beautifully, and if you get a CMYK set, which is not a pre-made set, you would just have to buy cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, you can mix almost any color that you possibly could want. And this is invaluable if you like to add ink lines to your watercolors. And I recommend the Kaweco pen because, well, it's a German pen and the Kaweco Sport is really nice and small and portable. So you don't have to worry about lugging something large with you. You can put it right in your pocket and it's extremely durable. Now, the last tier is over the top. That is over 250 euros. That is some serious money, and I found the perfect gift for this category. I feel like it's way over the top category, to be honest. This Joseph Horadam watercolor wheel palette from Schmincke is absolutely insane. They debuted this at Creative World and won awards for it, and it is a pretty crazy watercolor palette. Actually, I believe that it has a water reservoir in the center, and it is made out of metal from a company in Germany that specializes in metalworking. Instead of looking like a normal palette, the pans are individually placed in these little shells made out of metal, and they spin out when you want to access them. It's absolutely crazy, and so is the price at almost 800 euros. So that's a lot of love. And that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this gift guide and it gave you some new and interesting ideas for something that you would like to buy for yourself or a loved one. Definitely also go check out Eve, Denise, and Caria's gift guides. I will have links in the description and a playlist after this video. Thank you so much to my patrons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoy your holidays, and see you guys next time. Until then, be gentle with yourself. Bye.